In this short video, I'm going to walk you through the new installation process for Topaz DeNoise AI. First, you'll want to download the disk image file. You'll know it's a disk image because the file extension is DMG, and double-click on it. Installation is as simple as taking the DeNoise AI application icon and dragging it onto the application's shortcut to the right. It's important that you don't launch Topaz DeNoise AI from the mounted disk image by double-clicking this icon. The only way to properly use DeNoise AI is to drag this icon onto the applications folder. Next, go to your applications folder and scroll down to see the Topaz DeNoise AI app. Now, you can also delete the old DeNoise AI folder by going to the Topaz Labs LLC folder and then highlighting the old Topaz DeNoise AI folder and then deleting it. Another thing you can do with the new version of DeNoise AI is drag the application icon to your dock to make it easier to access in the future. And to launch Topaz DeNoise AI, just double-click on the app icon. And the last thing that we recommend is to go to the Help menu item and select Reinstall Photoshop Plugins. Click OK on the dialog box that appears and enter in your admin password. And that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot.